Okay, we are down here at the Sun Ranch Owners Association. We have used our little black tank tote and dumped a little of our black tank, and we are now getting some water. How's this going, babe?
I miss the Baja.
Yeah, we really do. True story.
First big snowfall, and
It's been a fun day.
I'd be lying if I said I wish it was the last snowfall.
Yeah,
Once you spend a winter in the Baja,
there's no comparison.
there's no comparison.
Yep, true story.
You just heard me mention the Baja, and if you want to check out our 90-day adventure in the Baja, go check out RV Outdoors NW Northwest. And I believe we have like probably 8 or 9 episodes of our entire trip through the entire Baja Peninsula, Sea of Cortez, all the way up the Pacific side. And let me tell you, it was a blast. So go check that out on RV Outdoors NW. This is our nearest store. And we'll go in and show you around.
This is the Eneas Valley Country Store. Hey there. Hi. How's it going?
How's it going?
Hey guys. What's going on
I
today?
have some mail.
I think you do. I think you do.
The guest driver told us that.
Yeah. One for sure.
Okay.
There you go.
Alright.
All right.
My first mail.
Is it? You know where the shed is?
Well, it's just right there,
It's
right?
the red one, yeah. And it should be under the B section. Three packages.
Three packages.
Got it.
So that's our little store. Takes us, I think it's about 6 miles. As you can see, you know, they got just kind of a little bit of everything, you know. Like I was saying earlier, our main grocery stores, it's about 22 miles away. Will was editing some videos, and I heard someone coming up the drive and is stuck and jackknifed with a trailer up on our hill. So we're gonna go see what we can do. I got a tow strap, a chain. We got another rig coming, supposedly all chained up. So gotta love winter. Not. Yeah, that's the cool thing about this area. We all live, you know, maybe a couple miles apart, but everybody wants to help everybody. It's really cool about this area. Not everyone is off-grid. This is Bob. They got a great place about 2 miles up the road. They do have power and water. They've had their property for about 15 years, so they're pretty well established. So let's just go see what his situation is. Yeah, a little jackknifed in the middle of the road. couldn't put my hands on my chains. I believe they're in our other storage unit, of course. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go air down my tires to probably 20 pounds or so. Give me a bigger footprint on the snow. Because we got a date with the Seahawks at the neighbors, but they're, I don't know, mile and a half up the road. So I'm going to see what we can do here. Well, like I said earlier, I could not find my chains. I think they're at our other storage unit. But I aired down to 20 psi and I blew right through where he got stuck. So now we can have venison chili and Seahawks.
Woo! Go Hawks! So, we're on our way home from Bob and Tammy's, and this comes sliding off the top of our roof. So, Rich is out with the broom trying to clear us out. There it is. Back road country driving. Jeez Louise. Got a foot of snow today. Redonkulous, and it's still coming down. We're supposed to get at least, I would say we have another foot by noon tomorrow. I don't know. This is, it's a lot of snow. Look at this driveway.
We're not there yet.
Oh, my Lanta.
Keep it in the road.
Oh, we still got to get up our little incline here.
Momentum, not too much.
Yeah. All right, people, here we go. Are we going up? Up, up, up. Up, up, up. Ah! All right, Rich backed us down a ways, and he's going to get another run for it, and hopefully a little bit of a trail that was blazed will get us up our incline here and onto our landing. Nope.
Didn't quite make it. We're about I don't know, 50 feet shy of our place.
Check this out. Check it out. It's almost up to my knee. Whatever.
Yeah, I'm thinking 14, maybe 15 inches. So close, but our last little bit here of our driveway's got quite a kick to the hill to it, and I am not gonna get any worse. And you know, trying to dig out in the dark and stuff is always a pain in the ass. So we're gonna leave this lie, and we will work on this tomorrow. Well, thinking 20, maybe 24 inches yesterday. Yeah. Where's the Baja when you need it? Got a little snow last night. About this far past my knees. I don't even know what to say right now. It's November 7th. We were going to stay here till about the 15th and shut the off-grid property down then and come back. But yeah, Mother Nature came by and said, nope. So we got our work cut out for us today. First, I got to get the truck up on the landing, dig paths so we can get to stuff. Yeah, I'm guessing I got to go find a tape measure, but if I would have guessed, at least around 22, 24 inches. So I'll take you around. Well, I'll say this much. What I'm really impressed is our Starlink. Upwards of 2 feet of snow. And our dish is still covered. And Brenda just got off the phone with her mom and dad. Gotta tell you, I'm pretty impressed. So there's our Starlink cable. And there is the dish. And the signal can actually get through all that. But I am going to clean it off. The ORV is holding up nice, and the shelter is doing its shelter thing.
All right, what's that measuring stick say?
22 inches.
And it's still coming down.
Yeah, a little bit. 22 inches. That is 21 and a half inches too much in my book.
Oh yeah, this is so true. But this is a good view. Look at our pickup down there.
Yep.
Poor little guy. That's going to be a afternoon project.
Yeah, for sure.
Here's our living space.